Do you want to know how to earn income with NFTs? With our wide guidance, you'll be making money from NFTs at any time. So far in 2022, spending on non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has skyrocketed, with more than $37 billion having been paid to NFT markets. The NFT market is stabilizing, and expenditure is likely to hit record levels by the end of the year. Many people are finding success in NFTs, and many more are eager to join NFTs using the community but are unsure of where to begin. Should you fall into this category, this blog will assist you in discovering the most lucrative methods for a novice to rapidly generate revenue with NFTs. What exactly are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. A non-fungible token is a digital asset that cannot be replaced or replicated. These tokens might be thought of as the digital equivalent of artwork from a private collection. Every piece of art in the collection is unique and valued at a specific amount. You might be asking why people are spending so much money on something intangible like NFTs. Furthermore, you might be curious about how individuals profit from NFTs. What defines an NFT's value? Consumer demand drives the value of an NFT, just as it does for pieces in our hypothetical art collection. Like trading cards, the rarity and base of potential buyers have a significant impact on how much they are worth. Although an image can be turned into an NFT, it is not prohibited from being duplicated or distributed. However, the blockchain stores and openly displays who owns the asset. Ownership of NFTs cannot be faked. One of the primary factors driving its value is the euphoric feeling of exclusive ownership. For the most part, people make money and appreciate the value of their NFT through resale. Top NFT marketplaces. The most popular strategy to get profit from NFTs is to sell them on NFT-specific marketplaces. Today, there are a multitude of marketplaces where you may list, sell, and trade NFTs, such as OpenSea, Variable, Super Rare, CryptoPunks, Axie Marketplace. Create and sell NFT. Do you see yourself as a creator? Do you have any creations you would like to sell? Selling your work as an NFT can increase your earnings. NFTs can be used to create and sell nearly any digital asset. Original audio samples, videos, memes, music, digital art, and much more have previously sold for high prices. A New Yorker marketed his farts as NFTs. Thus, go and carry it out. When it comes to making money using NFTs, the only limit is your creativity. Rent out. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital assets that cannot be replicated. But did you know you could rent them out? The rental process is straightforward. It works similarly to leasing a real estate property and collecting rent. Royalties. Is it possible to earn royalties on something as intangible as NFTs? You certainly can. Even if a digital asset is sold to another person, the creator can earn passive, lifelong royalties. However, the creator must enforce these rules, and if someone purchases the item you created, you will be paid royalties for the rest of your life. Royalties are a great way for artists to get passive income. Royalties, while initially puzzling, are worth considering when generating money from NFTs. Trade NFTs. Aside from selling, NFTs can also be traded. Some businesses and investors treat NFTs as stocks, buying and selling them to generate profit. If you already have a collection of NFTs that you no longer need, you may easily sell them, just as if you had made them yourself. You will skip the minting step. Buying and selling NFTs can be a profitable investment. In less than 6 months, Miami-based art collector Pablo Rodriguez Freiley sold a Beeple digital art piece for nearly 1,000 times its original value. Conversely, not all NFTs are made equally. NFT Gaming. We live in an era where playing video games may earn you money. NFTs are a sort of cryptocurrency that can be used to buy and sell in-game goods in blockchain-powered games. As an example, collectibles from the game CryptoKitties, which are very expensive and hard to get, are already available. In certain situations, a single CryptoCat might cost more than $300,000. Games using less expensive NFTs are increasingly being released. Some businesses even give away free items to the first few signups. With all of the most recent gaming NFTs, generating money from NFTs is quite possible with the right expertise. Staking NFTs. One of the benefits of combining NFTs with decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols is the ability to stake them. Staking is the process of depositing, or locking away digital assets in a DeFi protocol smart contract to generate a yield. While some platforms allow you to utilize any NFT, others require you to purchase native NFTs to receive staking token incentives, which are typically priced in the platform's native utility token. NFT staking is supported on the following platforms: Kira Network, NFTX, Only One, Splinterlands. In some cases, a portion of the benefits provided to stakeholders are denominated in governance tokens. As a result of these protocols, token holders can influence how their ecosystems evolve in the future. In most circumstances, staking NFTs yields coins that can be reinvested in other yield-generating algorithms. Because of the growing integration of NFTs and DeFi infrastructures, it is now possible to contribute liquidity while receiving NFTs as a trade for building a position in a specific liquidity pool. In general, staking is a relatively stable method of earning money from NFTs. For example, if you provide liquidity on Uniswap v3, the automated market maker AMM will issue an ERC-721 token, also known as the LPNFT token, to reflect your share of the total amount locked into the pool. The NFT is also etched with the token pair you placed, the token's emblem, and the pool's address, among other details. You can sell this NFT to clear your liquidity pool state quickly. Implementing NFT-powered yield farming. AMMs powered by NFTs are now available for users to farm for yields, as NFTs are quickly becoming an essential part of AMMs in general. Combining several DeFi protocols helps you maximize the income from your digital assets. This is called return farming. To show how the LPNFT tokens issued as liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap can be used as collateral or staked on other protocols to generate additional yields, we will use the Uniswap platform as an example. Consider it an opportunity to make greater revenue in addition to the yield generated by the NFT development process itself. With this option, a multi-tiered income generation strategy suitable for yield farmers can be executed. Farming is an excellent way to make money from NFTs with little to no work. Invest in NFT startups. When it comes to making money with NFTs, investing in NFT companies is an excellent option. You can indirectly profit from NFTs by investing in NFT businesses. Non-fungible tokens have proven to be more than a passing trend in the crypto industry. They have a wide range of applications in several industries and have the potential to change the world. Numerous promising NFT enterprises in the crypto sector are making excellent progress. That would be great if you could invest in them as they begin their revolutionary voyage. NFT startups are an excellent way to earn money using NFTs without being directly exposed to the turbulent market. NFT flipping. NFT flipping is a terrific way to make money with NFTs. It is the process of producing NFTs at a low cost and reselling them at a premium price. Flipping is often a short-term strategy in which expensive goods are bought and sold for a profit. That was the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments which part you like the most. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you next time.